Hello traders, Sid here with another trade recap. It's been a while since I post any videos. I guess I post one video last week, but considering I was very busy, I tried to keep up with my pace, like posting one video every day of trade recap. But after having losses, like massive losses in the first week of the November, I uh, I took some day off from the trading. I tried to build my confidence. I tried to gain that momentum before taking regular trades. Right now, I'm just trading with 50 shares or 100 shares. I'm not exceeding beyond that. My usual default level is with each trade. I take around like 500 to 1000 shares. I'm not doing that right now. I don't feel confident, that confident as I used to feel before this month, or just like a first Monday of this month where I had a decent profit. And after that, uh, I had big losses and lost my confidence. So on the process of getting it back. So today I took a trade on Facebook. This was my first trade. So for taking trades on this big company's name like Facebook, Google, Amazon, or Shopify, I use this quant data. And this quant data basically provides you the market condition in terms of options activity. So if it detects like heavy flow of call going in or puts going in into the particular stock, then it provides you that information with the form of with an alert. And based on that alert, you can decide whether to jump into the trade or not. If you are using quant data, then what I suggest is, like, once you get that alert, just take a pause, watch where that stock is going. And usually these big stocks, they follow um SM, SPY, QQQ, and Nasdaq movement. So just take a look at them, like see what condition they are in, and based on that, place your trade. Because sometimes what happens is, you get an alert over here on quant data, and you can see that that stock started coming down. So that's, sometimes that happens, sometimes it goes quickly in the favor of the call or the alert. But most often than not, it is better to check the price action provided by that stock at that moment before taking a trade. So here, as you can see at the open, face quant data send an alert about Facebook 355 call, and it's a bullish lightning alert. That means this type of alert is basically meant for scalp trader. So you jump into the trade quickly, and within one or two candles you enter and exit from the trade. So that's what I did over here. I bought two call spreads, 350, 352.5, expiring this week. And I gained just $12 on it, not a big deal. And I closed my trade up pretty quickly. Why? Because I didn't feel confident like after this red candle, and overall it was like arcing. And when that arc start forming, like it basically goes at the top and then it start rolling down. So I didn't want to get involved in that kind of situation. Even though with the call spread your risk is limited or defined, it's not worth to lose money. You can jump into the trade, um you know if you feel like setup is good. And in this case, setup was not good. It was forming this rising bullish wedge, and it broke down from that wedge, and then as you can see, it sold off constantly or significantly. So that was that trade, just $12, not a big deal. The next trade that I took was on Nvidia's so quant data sent an alert within the same time frame as Facebook call. So I took a trade here, same situation over here, like Facebook rising bullish wage action. So for Nvidia, I bought 342.5 call spread for this week, expiring this week, and I just gained $30 on that trade. And this price action, when I saw that, like, it pulled back a little and started forming this cup formation, I expected that uh, it will pull back a little bit more from where the cup formation ends, and then it should towards 350, 355, and 360. But that didn't happen. Overall market was bullish at the beginning, but after that it pulled back massively. And it's just not the case with a few names. Most of the stock market was like that. So just made $30 over here. After that, like, I just took like a small trade on AMD, because AMD follows Nvidia's movement pretty closely. And when Nvidia was forming this cup, I thought like it's going to happen, same thing is going to happen with AMD, and maybe I can catch some movement over there. But that didn't happen. It formed this small cup and then sold off pretty aggressively along with Nvidia. So just made 30 cents over there, nothing significant. After that, I took a trade on LGVN. So LGVN was a short squeeze, and LGVN was like a multi-day runner. As you can see here, it popped up over here, then consolidated for a for a whole day, and it made big moves during the pre-market hours. Same thing happened over here, but it moved up a little bit during the pre-market hours, and then its overall action was choppy and sideways action. But it started moving up pretty aggressively after like afternoon, after 12:30 and 1 p.m. during that time frame. But that price action was not clean. You really had to be patient with this one. And I took my trade during this bull flag, as it was started making higher lows. And uh, I took multiple trades, my like 100 shares at one time, and then I was just playing with 10 shares, trying to get as much profit as possible, but ended up making just $74.33. um I'm not sure, but it feels like it is it's still bullish, because we have this wedge falling bullish wedge, and it's going to pop up in the pre-market hours tomorrow. And I guess like this will give all the major price action will happen during the pre-market hours. And during the day, during the trading time, during the normal trading hours, it will basically chop and consolidate in the sideways, or probably give back all its momentum that it gained during market hours and after hours today. So let's we can keep an eye on that one. And the last trade that I took was on Zoom. So Zoom had their earnings today, and Zoom is already in a bad shape. It was in a bad shape, and I thought like maybe earning boost it up. So let's see like what happens over there. So this is a Zoom chart, and let's go to 4 hours. And as you can see here, like it was in a bullish falling wedge formation. It broke that trend, and now it's moving down. It already broke its support. I don't know like what will be the range. I'm expecting it to go towards $200, but not sure. But that was a disappointment. But anyhow, like, I made $5 on it. Um just traded 2 shares of it just for fun, nothing else. So that was my last trade. And overall I made overall today I made $121.94. Nothing significant, just focusing on the base hits right now. Nonetheless, if you guys want, I will share the link of this platform Conteda. It's a paid service. It's $74 per month. You can subscribe for annual plan, and since Black Friday is around the corner, you can get a good deal on this one. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you again in next trade recap. Thank you and have a good night. Bye.